What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and daily update on Bitcoin. Enough to talk about again. We had quite a bullish night at least, but apart from that, I mean it's going to be an interesting weekend. It feels like it's probably going to be, or there's at least a chance that we'll have a volatile weekend. Which we have seen quite a lot since the beginning of this year, a lot of bullish weekends as well. So we'll talk about that in this video, whether that's a possibility, but also the current market circumstances. Because even though we were quite bullish earlier this night, it has not really resulted in any bullish breakthrough or even breakout. So that's what we'll talk about. Before we get into Bitcoin specifically though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. Alright, so now into Bitcoin. So we saw some, this bullish momentum, it's just a fundamental move, I would say. So with fundamental move, usually what I mean is that it's a whale move. It's institutions, market makers, whatever. But you usually get those kind of at the beginning of the week, so from Sunday to Monday, and then at the end of the week again. So that is what we had yesterday in the Signal group chat room. We also talked about that there was a higher chance of volatility. That's just something you should know at least. But yeah, apart from that, we are still kind of in this weird situation for Bitcoin where, first of all, the fundamentals are not very clear. After the interest rate last week, basically the outcome was that the outcome is that we'll have such an uncertain period of time around every interest rate decision. So that's great. That's at least exciting, to say the least. But apart from that, right now, technically, we are not trending. So then we are in some sort of a consolidation. But then on the other hand, you can also see that other technicals do point towards some sort of a trend. You can, for example, see that from Monday the 24th, we have started making higher lows. You could also argue that we've been making lower highs. So maybe that's an argument in favor of a consolidation again. But it's just, it's weird market circumstances. What I would say is that from here, right now the dollar strength index is also a bit bullish, but that is near resistance again, and overall that's bearish. So I would say that perhaps we'll take a break retest here off of, or not a break retest, but we'll find support at 28,800 and 28,700 again. And that from there, we'll start to move up to 29,800, 29,700. And the one thing we would have to do, I think, from there to actually get a bullish breakout and perhaps continue this bullish momentum is that after finding resistance there, I think we would need to stay on top of 29,250, which is not a level you can see on the chart, but it is a key level. See, if we can do that, then that's some sort of bullish confirmation. It's also a higher low, but also bullish confirmation. And if we can do that, then I think we can actually move up towards 30,500 and 31,000. And as I said, I mean, it is looking, it seems to be that there's a chance that we'll do something like this because weekends like these have happened before. And right now, after a weekend or after a week with so many, well, I wouldn't say only bullish moves, but that we at least ended with a bullish move and that we also had some fundamentals which were not bearish, I would say there's a high chance. But you can also, I mean, you can just see it with the technicals, right? I mean, if the technicals confirm this, then we're doing it. So that would be a breakout above 29,250. If we cannot do that, if we break above that, for example, and we break down below it instantly again, we're just consolidating. And I wouldn't be surprised to see a move down to this level here around 28,000 early next week. But I'll keep you updated on that. For now, these are my remarks and kind of what I expect in terms of price movements in the next 24 hours / weekend. So for now, if you have any questions, let me know. And thank you for watching. Take care.